Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A02s and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, you have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll until you'll find biometrics and security. On the second position we've got fingerprints, so let's enter. And now your device is telling you that you will be able to unlock your device with your fingerprint, and remember that if you are wearing the screen protection, then it may affect the sensor. So let's tap on continue. Here we have to set an additional screen lock. Of course, if you've got your currently set, no worries, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you really need to do it right now. What's more, remember it, because if you will forget about your screen lock, then you will be unable to unlock your device and you will have to erase all the data. So let me pick, for example, the pattern. Simply tap on the option you'd like to use, and here we have to enter the pattern, tap on continue, enter it again and confirm. And now we can start the scanning of our finger, and as you can see here we've got the sensor, so all we have to do now is simply put our finger on it. So let me do this. And as you can see now I have to do it multiple times in order to add my fingerprint fully. Okay, and as you can see we just successfully added our fingerprint. If you'd like to add another, just tap here. If not, click on done. I don't want to back up my pattern, and as you can see here we've got all the fingerprint settings. First of all, here we've got our fingerprint. This is the fingerprint number 1. We can rename it here, so let's do it. It's my thumb, so let's rename it. Okay, let's tap on done, and after tapping on it again we can remove it also if you'd like to. Let's get back. You can of course add another fingerprint, and here we've got the test for the fingerprints. You can check added fingerprints. So if you've added for example 2, 3 or 4 fingerprints to your device, you can scan for example this finger and your device will tell you which fingerprint it is. So as you can see, it is said that it is my thumb. Under it we can decide, we can actually customize the fingerprint. So here we can decide if we'd like to unlock our device with a fingerprint, which is right now turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, obviously just tap here, but let me turn it on, and we can decide if you want to show the icon when the screen is off, and if you'd like to show the animation when you will unlock the device. So it's up to you, because this is the customization, so it's really up to you how you want to set it. I will leave it like this, and let's check if it is working. So let's lock our device, let's wait and check if we will see the sensor, which should be right here. And as you can see here we've got the sensor, so let's put the finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint. What's more, we can unlock our device with a pattern or a pen, whatever you chose. We can unlock this device with the screen lock. Let me show you. You have to only swipe and use the pattern or a pen or a password. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your Samsung Galaxy A02s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.